guys, what's up? It's your girl Queen Ash. You know, you're probably wondering where I'm at, why Marcus isn't with me, all that, right? I got you. I'm in my room right now at my house.
I know.
Usually we're at his house or something like that, but no, we're at my house. And we, meaning me. I'm by myself right now. So I'm going on a little journey by myself today. I'm going on the train. I'm gonna give you a little backstory. So, you know, I started driving and all that, got my first car at like 17. Started driving and all that, got my license. Ever since I got my first car, I really haven't taken public transportation, and if I do take it, it's not by myself. I haven't taken public transportation by myself since I was in high school. That's crazy. Yeah, well, not even my senior year, my junior year. Anyways, I'm gonna take a journey on the train, and I don't like trains at all whatsoever. They're rat infested and all that. I'm not with it. Anyways, I'm gonna take a journey by myself, and you're gonna come along with me, okay? See you on the train. Well, you'll probably see me before that. You'll see. I'll hit y'all back up in a few. Deuces. Hey guys, so before I leave, I have some friends here. My bestie Ryan, Jared, and this little boy here, Olivia. I have friends.
Period. She has a lot of friends.
I have a lot of friends. I'm popping. Y'all got anything to say?
I'm not a boy, I'm a girl.
Any single girls out there? Olivia's single. Hit her up.
Right.
She looks like Soulja Boy, right?
She fly.
Anyways, deuces guys. Hey guys, so I'm in the car about to drive to the train station. It's 8:24, so I'll probably get there like 8:30. I'm gonna take my time. 8:45. So I'll catch y'all in a bit. So empty. I get my metro. I don't know which way I'm supposed to get on. Yo, I'm so lost. Okay, but I need to know if it's going towards Manhattan and Coney Island. I made it. I'm looking at the GPS right now. I don't know if you guys hear me, if y'all can hear me, but it says forward and towards Coney Island, and Katrina at Lexington Ave and 64th Street. Okay, I have 11 stops. I don't see any rats or anything,
Close the doors, please.
I just stepped in this. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I just got off the F train. I'm transferring to the Q. So I'm just waiting for the train to come now. My eyes are red. Oh my god. I don't have, I'm sorry. That scared me. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just waiting for the train. I apologize if I don't look so engaged because I keep looking here and not here. Why do people know? Like, can they just sense that, like, you're not really a commuter? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, just got off the train. Hope y'all enjoyed that little show. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Follow signs for Broadway. I see two exits, 14th Street to 16th Street and 14th. What the heck? Am I going Union Square West or Union Square East? Yo, guys, I am lost. You can tell I don't take trains, like, but this says 15th Street. Oh my God. I'm dead lost. Oh, okay, wait. I see 14th Street and 4th Avenue. Oh my God, it's hot. I can't. Wait. Please don't yell at me. This is not the time to be raising your voice. I'm not hearing anything right now. I'm trying to get out of this under here. I'm not hearing nothing right now. I'm trying to get upstairs. Oh my God. Marcus. Leave me alone real quick so I can get this, guys. This is so funny but embarrassing at the same time. Honestly, I don't care. This is good content. I see like a Best Buy, Nordstrom, CVS, or Walgreens, Wells Fargo. Where am I? Where are you? Please, don't keep, people are looking at me. Let me, like, where are you? My heart's beating fast. You see me? Where are you? You know what, guys? I'm gonna hit y'all back up in a few minutes. Deuces. So guys, I'm safe for now. Look.
Oh my God, she needs to get out more. I swear.
I was so scared. My heart was beating mad fast just now. Thought I got lost. But why does this counting down?
It's counting down or up.
24. Oh, why is it doing that?
That's how much time is being recorded.
Oh.
Oh my God. Anyway, I'm hungry. Movie theater down. Vlog, we'll talk to y'all later, alright? Cause I need to talk to her. I'm hungry. I need food. Everyone.
Hey guys.
Don't ever start a video doing. I hate that.
I know.
You know I hate that.
When I was chewing gum, I was like kind of smacking, and I was like, in my head, I was like, yo, he's not gonna like that.
You
But
did in a video?
I think so. Because I was trying to concentrate. Anyways, so obviously, you know, you can't record in the movie theater. But I'm here, though. I'm just letting y'all know I'm here. My journey was a success. I hope you enjoyed. Should I'm going to just end it here. You know, like, comment, share, subscribe. This is not your video.
Whose channel is it going on?
Doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't. Anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and you know, become join the MASH squad. Peace, love, and so.
End this vid. You chatting now. I bet this is what all day looks like on these videos. You saying nothing.
Deuces, guys. Have a good night and all that.